Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel and our course on effective communication skills. Today we're diving into something really practical and powerful, interpersonal communication. Now what does that mean? Well, it's about how we connect, build trust, share ideas, and maintain relationships in everyday life. Whether you're talking to a friend, teammate, manager, or even someone you just met, this skill matters a lot. So, if you've ever struggled to make a conversation flow, build better relationships, or speak up in group settings, stay with me. This one can be life-changing. Part 1. Building and maintaining relationships. Let's start with the heart of it all, building and maintaining meaningful relationships. Interpersonal communication isn't just about talking, it's about connecting. So how do we build that connection? Here are some key principles. 1. Show genuine interest. Don't just wait for your turn to talk. Ask questions like, "How was your weekend?" Or, "What's something exciting you're working on?" Be curious, not just polite. 2. Listen to understand. This means not interrupting, giving eye contact, nodding, and occasionally summarizing what they said. Could be as simple as, "So you're saying the project deadline changed unexpectedly?" That makes people feel heard and respected. 3. Be consistent and reliable. Want to build trust? Do what you say what you do. If you said you'll call at 5, call at 5. That's how people start depending on you. 4. Communicate appreciation. A small, "Thank you for helping me out," or "I really value your opinion," can go a long way. 5. Repair quickly after conflict. Don't let awkward silences or misunderstandings linger. Address them respectfully and early. Quick story. When I started my first job, I had a colleague I didn't really connect with at first. I realized I was so focused on tasks, I forgot to build rapport. One day I just asked about his weekend, and boom, everything changed. We started working as a team, not just coworkers. That's the power of simple connection. Let's move on. Part 2. Networking and professional relationships. Next up, networking. Now don't worry. I'm not talking about handing out business cards at boring conferences. Real networking is about creating mutually beneficial relationships. Here's how to network like a pro, especially as a student or young professional. 1. Start with what you have. Your classmates, colleagues, internship mentors. That's your first network. Stay in touch, check in, and offer help when you can. 2. Ask, don't beg. When reaching out for advice, say, "I admire your journey in marketing. Would you mind sharing how you got started?" This makes it about learning, not just asking for favors. 3. Give before you ask. Even if you're new, you can offer something. Maybe a useful article, a social media mention, or just appreciation. 4. Follow up the right way. After meeting someone, send a message like, "It was great chatting today. I really enjoyed hearing about your project. Let's keep in touch." Simple, polite, memorable. 5. Use LinkedIn wisely. Don't just send random requests. Add a short message. "I'm a communication student learning about public speaking. I'd love to follow your work." Quick tip. Keep a small spreadsheet of people you meet, name where you met them, and one personal note. Helps you follow up meaningfully months later. Part 3. Online communication etiquette. In today's world, half our communication happens online. Emails, WhatsApp, Teams, LinkedIn, Insta DMs. So, here are 5 golden rules for effective online interpersonal communication. 1. Be clear and concise. Avoid paragraphs of text. Break messages down. Use bullet points or line breaks. 2. Use the right tone. Without facial expressions, tone can be misunderstood. Instead of, "Why haven't you replied?" try, "Just following up in case you missed my last message." 3. Mind your timing. Avoid sending late-night messages unless urgent. Respect working hours. 4. Personalize your messages. Start with a name. Add something human. Like, "Hi Roshan, hope your day's going well." 5. Avoid all caps and too many emojis. It can feel too aggressive or too casual depending on the situation. Keep it balanced and professional. Bonus tip: always reread before you hit send, especially in professional messages. Part 4. Group discussions and peer feedback. Last but not least, group discussions and peer feedback. This is especially important for students, teams, and job interviews. In group discussions, speak early but don't dominate. Build on others' points. I agree with what Aisha said and I'd like to add. Disagree respectfully. I see your point, but I have a slightly different perspective. Take notes and summarize if the group is going off track. When giving peer feedback, be specific. Your intro was clear, but the conclusion felt rushed. Focus on behavior, not personality. You interrupted twice versus you're rude. Ask before giving. Would you like some feedback on your part? Balance positives and areas to improve. Practice tip. Try this with a friend. Watch a TED Talk together and each of you gives the other feedback on how they expressed their thoughts. Closing and assignment. Alright, that was a lot of practical stuff. But communication is all about practice. Here's a small assignment for you. Pick one person this week. Could be a friend, teacher, or colleague, and practice one of these. Start a meaningful conversation. Give constructive feedback. Write a clear message or email. Ask a question to build connection. And tell me in the comments how it went. To wrap up, interpersonal communication isn't just a soft skill, it's a success skill. Every opportunity, connection, or breakthrough often begins with one great conversation. So let's keep learning, practicing, and improving together. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you found this helpful. I'll see you in the next module.